Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. Oh la la, you wish you had scratch and sniff on your camera or on your computer, because this plant is one of the most fragrant plants I've ever smelled. As a matter of fact, my socks have been rolling up and down since I started getting near this thing. So this is called Cardiocrinum giganteum, or the gigantic Himalayan lily. And it does come from the high Himalayan mountains. So it's got this beautiful stalk, and then look at those flowers. If you look right in them, they're bright red inside. It is so beautiful, you can't believe it. I absolutely love this plant. It's got a few things that are a little irritating about it. If you grow it from seed, it can take 7 years before you ever see it bloom. You just get these great big leaves at the bottom, that's all you get. If you grow it from a bulb, it can take 5 years before it blooms. But if you're a patient gardener, it's worth it, because when it finally sends up this giant stalk and you know it's gonna bloom, it's the most exciting thing that can happen in your garden. No doubt about it. This is my favorite plant.